Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most common questions we get from you about gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is packed with answers to help you grow your best garden yet. So, let's jump right in. Our first question comes from Sarah in Colorado, who asks, when is the best time to plant tomatoes? Tomatoes such a popular choice for home gardeners. Sarah, the best time to plant tomatoes depends on your growing zone. In most areas, you'll want to wait until after the last frost date in spring. This ensures that your tender tomato plants won't be damaged by the cold. For those of you in colder regions, you can start your tomatoes indoors a few weeks before the last frost. This gives them a head start and ensures a longer growing season. Remember, tomatoes love warmth and sunlight. Now, let's tackle a question from Mike in California. Mike asks, how often should I water my garden? Great question, Mike. Watering frequency depends on several factors, like your soil type, weather, and the types of plants you're growing. As a general rule of thumb, it's better to water deeply and less frequently than to water shallowly every day. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Early morning or evening is the best time to water, as it reduces water loss due to evaporation. Our next question is from Jason in New York, who asks, how can I keep pests away from my garden without using chemicals? Jason, I hear you pests can be a real nuisance. There are several natural methods you can try. For instance, planting companion plants like marigolds and basil can repel pests with their strong scents. You can also make homemade sprays using ingredients like garlic, neem oil, or soap to deter unwanted visitors. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests and promptly remove them by hand if you spot any. Let's move on to a question from Lisa in Texas. Lisa asks, what's the secret to growing beautiful roses? Roses, they can add so much beauty to any garden. The secret lies in proper care and attention. Roses love sunlight, so make sure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Pruning is also key. Remove dead or diseased branches to promote new growth. And don't forget to fertilize regularly during the growing season to encourage those gorgeous blooms. I hope these answers help you all in your gardening journey. Remember, gardening is a wonderful blend of patience, care, and a little bit of experimentation. If you have more questions or want to share your gardening tips, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.